In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money-making strategy that you can use right now. And this is a website to actually start to earn some passive income and use this website to your advantage. So I'm going to get started by showing you my strategy on how I grow from one website, taking out some income from that website once I reach ROI, then actually getting that money and putting it in a different website, guys. So this is going to be me showing you that strategy right now. So the first website we're going to be talking about in today's video is going to be BetFury. And if you do not know what BetFury is and how I actually use this to my advantage, well, make sure you click the link down below or the link right here in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can actually go over there and start to watch the video to understand more of this method. So now the basis of this method is actually using BetFury with their tokens. So you're going to be mining their tokens, and the process of doing this is actually getting as much BetFury tokens as possible so we can start to earn some money from the staking side of this. Now this is how you can actually earn some passive income every single day. You can see my passive income from owning 10,000 tokens right here, guys. So it's a super easy and profitable way to start earning money with this website. So now once we have actually earned some money and we save this for a couple of days, like let's say I get up to $20 or $30, which I have, I'm going to show you my withdrawals. As you can see right here, guys, this is how much I have deposited inside of this account. But if we go over to our withdrawals, I just got through withdrawing 0.001 BTC. So that's around $20 or $30 right there. We can actually search it up so you guys can check it out yourself. So look, copy this. Let's go over here to Safari and let's Command V and let's do BTC to USD. So now it's going to show us exactly how much that's worth, $26 right there, guys. So now I'm about to show you where I actually got this money from. So I actually earned this money from the staking side of this website. So I was just saving my money, saving it, and growing this up to where I can actually get like $1 a day and then just wait on that, guys. And then once you have enough to withdraw from this site and once you get your ROI back quicker, now it's time to get that money because this is still paying out. Now it's time to get that money and invest it in somewhere else. So now I found a new website or semi-new website that can actually get you something just the same as BetFury. So that is this website right here called chips.gg. I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you guys can get started right away. There is no free method to, like faucets in order to get some free cryptocurrency from here, but I'm going to be showing you my strategy or how I'm going to be using chips.gg to start making me some passive income just like BetFury. I think Chips is a better and more long-term method that you can use right now, guys. The reason being is because they don't have any free tokens. They don't just disperse as much tokens as possible. This actual website is really meant for the users, like the gamers. This ain't meant for the miners. But in a way that is really good for the longevity of this site, and that's the reason why you need to get started right now to start actually earning their tokens, because it actually grows $1 every time they actually reach a different level. The main purpose for this website is mainly for the users to actually use their crypto and try to grow their profits instead of mining the token. So that's a really good use case that's going to bring the longevity of the site up. Now let me show you my strategy. I actually had a different account that I already had the money deposited in, but I accidentally messed up on the email and I didn't really feel comfortable having a bad email inside of this account. So I had to contact customer service, which they got back to me extremely quick. Within like 20 minutes, they got back to me, guys, and they helped me switch accounts. Right now, I'm switching over my cryptocurrency that I had in my old account over to this new one with the right email address so I can feel more comfortable using the site. And it really helps me out because now they just got through deleting my old account, the old account that had the messed up email address. And so I can actually start to use this one and actually help me out with that, guys. So that's really awesome. I really love the support. I really love their Telegram that actually is really interactive and has a lot of people that use this site for the actual purpose of it, not for the mining, for the actual other purpose of it. The way I'm going to be using this site, guys, is actually just coming over here to games, going over here to Chips Originals, and then just using dice, because that is the only method they have right now to actually start to earn their token. And what I am doing is just betting the minimum. I go to auto and I bet the minimum, which is 10 satoshis, and then I leave everything the same, because if you put up here on loss, you want to raise the percentage, it's just going to keep raising it. It's not going to reset back to 10 satoshis. So you're going to waste your cryptocurrency quicker. Strategy behind this is actually to make the longevity of wagering. The more you can wager, which is going to be $45 in order to get 1 token, which is extremely easy to get. It sounds like a lot of money, but it is extremely easy to get. On my old account, I already had around 20 tokens, and I only had it running for like 2 days, and that's it, guys. So this is a really useful case scenario, and I'm going to be showing you my results as time goes on. This is just something for me to show you a new strategy, and I'm already inside of the vault right here, guys. So you can see 1 token is around $45 right here at the bottom right hand corner. Now you can see that they have stages. So stage 2, it's going to go up like after stage 2 is done, it's going to go up to stage 3, and that's going to be like $46, 45, 46, yeah, $46. And then stage 4 is going to be like $48, and it's just going to keep growing like that, slow and steady. It's not going to go from one thing to like $50 to $80 to $1,000. It's going to go slow, guys. And the cool thing about it, even has level 13. So stage 2, level 13. And you can see how all of this is playing out. The reason why I actually diversified into this is just because it can show you how much your cut is, how much you're going to get paid out. And it's showing you the total of how much people are getting paid out right here. So you can see that 50% rolls to the next day. 50% is paid as the following. 25 are sent to the team and 25 are locked in chips. If the pool has $100,000 distribution, will be as following: $50,000, which is 50% remaining in the pool, to roll over to the next day. So the next day starts with $50,000 in the pool and not zero. 50% or $50,000 is paid to the following: 25 is sent to the team. For these funds, for the chips team will finance development, sites, maintenance, marketing, events, employees, and profit, etc. 25 will be distributed over the locked chips. So you're going to get 25% of whatever it is for that day inside of your account, guys. Just for right now, the only way you can actually earn these tokens is just by the dice game. So I would recommend you guys getting started right now, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on how this is going for me once I actually receive my crypto inside of my account and get started mining again. So this is just something new I wanted to show you guys so you can get started just like BetFury. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.